Everybody, we are harvesting potatoes today. This is what I've gotten already. Let's see what we can come up with. We'll come back to you after I get them all dug up and see what we got. Here's all that came up, which is okay, not bad for the first time doing potatoes. Plus, I really don't have anywhere to store them. So, not too bad. Especially since they're just in a little planter box. They probably needed more room to grow, but that's okay. But look at this. Look at all those red cherry tomatoes that I gotta pick. Thanks for watching. We'll give you another garden update soon. Bye, y'all.